expression begins when the future closes its doors without a sound. No thunder, no shattered glass, just the quiet disappearance of tomorrow. The roads I knew by heart fade like paths beneath the snow. Meaning grows so distant, love becomes a country I no longer know. And I've been folding up my wings, refusing the cold sky, holding on to fragments just to make it through the night. But the soul is strange, it survives on small things. A hand on my shoulder, the smell of rain, one window still burning at the edge of the dark. Maybe the future never closed, maybe it was waiting for me to find my way back to my heart. Perhaps I knocked on the wrong doors with the wrong trembling hands. Perhaps the stars I couldn't see were being born from this veil